Now I'm going to show you how to secure the base for your artificial flower arrangement. We've got this beautiful ceramic base right here. We're going to get our floral foam, but as you can see, it doesn't quite fit. So we'll just cut that with a kitchen knife to size. If you were going to be using live flowers, you can still use this Oasis, but you'd have to soak it in water, get it completely saturated, and that's what helps keep your live flowers alive. But since we're using fake ones, we'll just keep it dry. Put that in there nice and secure. As you can see, we've got that in there, but we've also got some areas here on the side that need to be filled. You don't have to be super neat with this because you're really not going to see it, but you want to make sure you have foam everywhere so that you have an opportunity to stick your little fake flowers all throughout the bottom. So as you can see here, we've got a nice covering, and this is going to make the best base for our artificial flower arrangement.